Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, E. Let's trace A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for car. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. A. B. C. D. E. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. A. 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 B. 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 C. 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 D. 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 E. 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 Let's read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for eagle. Thanks for watching, kids. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.